Look what we got. No. Good morning, everyone. It's way too early o'clock in the morning, and we are going to Autoshow.
Yeah, let's go. I'ma make a couple stacks, do exactly what I want to. Mix a couple tracks, get a lady that I'm drawn to. Turn up to the max, get me faded till I'm gone, dude. I do what I want, couldn't stop me.
The guys from the venue, they are helping us get the banner up. Banner just came up, they're just done with it. Ja, og så ret op. We got a couch.
Lige, mand. Oj! Hvad så, gamle?
That S14, he just got it finished. It's actually being launched on this show. It's cool. And that's a girl's car, by the way. I guess you couldn't guess it. Oh, by the way, this is Steph's thing. Go in and follow him. So all my like 5 subscribers can go in and follow you. That's a famous Supra in Denmark, in Mark IV. As you know, normally these come with like a twin turbo setup. And this has of course been converted to a single, and it has the big manifold on it. Those M3s are really, really nice. You can tell the difference. Well, most of you probably know, but you can tell the difference that the wheel arches are much wider, and it has this typical lift here. I think that's the third R8, or maybe it's the same one. Destroyer-samling, which this is. Destroyer-samling is a private collection of quite special cars. They let us look in the Cybertruck. It smells really nice. It has this huge roof. Oh man, I want one. Just spoke to the owner of this not Evo. That engine is a 4G63, which is actually the same engine that's in that car. Have been joined by the famous flyby-man.
Famous. God damn it.
We need to now we need to traverse like all the way to the other side to get some footage of the
Galaxy
opening.
far, far away.
We're just announcing that they are ready to open the doors. Showtime. So we're in the middle of the show. It's about 12 o'clock, and I think everybody kind of woke up and came in here. So you can see the amount of people that we have currently, and we are handing out key hangers, listening to alarms and talking to people, just having all around nice conversations with everybody. People are really interested in seeing their cars, which is really nice when you spend time on building something that's unique. So yeah, it's kind of cool. It's having fun. you should be here. If you're not here, then come here next year. We are actually pre-approved to be at Autoshow 25, and we are probably gonna bring the Skyline, and I don't know about the other cars, but let's see. And if you're in the vicinity, drop by.
Yeah, she's got some nice long hair, and you know that she's a bad chick. All the boys stare, can't help it, it's a habit. Clothes that she wears, short skirt and a jacket. I just wanna get her all alone on a mattress. I just wanna have it, I just gotta have it. Rumors all around say her body is fantastic. All natural, not a piece of fur is plastic. Head to her toes, yeah, they say that she's a latch. Yeah, the whispers all around say she has a reputation. Don't believe it till I see it, so I want a demonstration. And I've always learned it better with a hands-on education. So I need a private session if you get what I am saying. And they say that she's not easy, no, she's really complicated, but that only makes it better, and it's got me so fixated. And I'm not the type to wait around, I've never hesitated, but she's got me captivated, so the game, I'm gonna play it, yeah. She's got a body like a coke thing, she likes to keep the party going. These rumors got me feeling lonely, I want that body, baby, show me. She's got a body like a coke thing, she likes to keep the party going. Baby, show me.
Morning. So we just cleaned up our location. Just tidied up everything, so we are ready for the guests, which are arriving in about 20 minutes. That's the famous flyby man and his crew. I think I'm gonna realize my dream of annoying the squad ball people. Hey, squad ball guys, I have this old Toyota, can I participate?
No.
It's a Supra.
Yeah, it's a nice car.
Yeah.
But still no.
What's if it's a GTR? Can I do that then? Yeah.
Yeah, that could compete, yeah.
Okay. What if it's an R34?
Push it.
Yeah, I am pushing it. I am very much pushing it. Yeah. Thank you.
No worries.
Showtime. Just like you, we do our YouTube in English, so I have a little thing for you.
Okay, great. That's perfect.
I respect what you do, and I respect the way you approach it, and I think you should have a little gift. Spending the time while it's a little bit quiet to walk around and have a look at the show. It's the coolest disability car I've seen today. And then you have another Supra. I think we're getting the keys handed to a GTR in a moment. Follow the new lab in Maguire's and Anna's. Look what we got! A Nismo edition. I love the center console, how it has the legacy from the 34 as well. We have the center console in the 34. And yes, that is carbon fiber. And this car looks really, really shiny. That's because Anders is the distributor of Maguire's and Finland Lab in Denmark. And the black on black look with the wheels. and the spoiler and everything. And the titanium exhaust. It looks so cool. Should we give Anders his key back or should we just grab the car? The exit is right over there. I think we can make it away. Let's give him the key back.
So I chase that bag. Trophies are dope, but I'd rather have cash. Sitting in the bank cause I paid my tax. Living my life, my way, my path, I go. Move fast, anyone who ain't hitting full gas. Who that choose that hard work, that wins, true facts. I'ma go big, grind hard, throw a few jabs. Big hook next to the dome, knock her straight back down to the floor. Anyone in my way smacked, I don't take bad thoughts, no, I remove that. My team got good minds, I can prove that. I got these dreams that I've been chasing. I got some things I've been upgrading. No one can stop me from this craving.